In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for content creation. Whether you're building a blog, planning videos, managing social channels, or shaping a campaign, this workflow will help you go from a blank page to a polished piece with less stress and more consistency. First, use ChatGPT to generate content ideas. Treat it like a creative partner for brainstorming blog topics, video angles, captions, and campaign concepts. Share your niche, your audience, and the outcome you want. Then ask for a wide range of ideas. You can request ideas grouped by theme, difficulty level, or funnel stage, and even ask for short summaries that explain why each idea would resonate. If you're exploring trends, include a time frame and ask for timely hooks. When you see promising concepts, ask for headline variations, a quick outline, or a content calendar draft to turn raw ideas into a plan you can actually execute. Next, create content faster by letting ChatGPT produce first drafts. It can write blog posts, scripts, emails, social captions, and product descriptions in seconds. Set it up for success. Provide your goal, target audience, voice and tone, desired length, key points, and any examples of style you like. Ask for a clear structure with headings, a strong introduction, and a concise conclusion with a call to action. Use iterative prompts to refine sections, expand on details, or condense copy for different lengths. This shifts your time from starting cold to editing with intention, which speeds up your workflow and improves quality. Then, improve and optimize your content. Ask ChatGPT to polish grammar, tighten sentences, and adjust tone for clarity and readability. You can request a specific reading level or voice, and ask for punchier headlines and smoother transitions. For SEO, have it suggest primary and secondary keywords, craft compelling titles and meta descriptions, and propose an outline with logical H2 and H3 headings. Keep language natural, avoid keyword stuffing, and always review accuracy and nuance. Personalize examples and add your own data or stories so the content reflects your expertise. Finally, repurpose content across platforms. Turn one blog into short social posts, a video script, an email newsletter, and a product teaser while keeping a consistent brand voice. Ask ChatGPT to adapt for each channel with appropriate hooks, character limits, calls to action, and platform conventions like timestamps or hashtags. Maintain the core message, tweak the angle for each audience, and ensure visuals or references match the format. This multiplies reach without multiplying effort. Use this loop: ideate, draft, optimize, and repurpose to publish more, stay on brand, and focus your time where it matters most.